Hello everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh and I am here to share my very first ever junk journal. So I've seen several people make these and I thought that it was a great idea, so I'll be making more of these because it was really fun. This is a hardcover junk journal and I just used scraps from my mini albums and my structures. And I used a piece of upholstery-like cloth for the cover that I got at the Goodwill, or I don't know what it's called. It's like a Goodwill. It's a Salvation Army or something like that. And I hand stitched the signatures in. This one has 3 signatures. I used some DCWV haberdashery paper pack for the cover and the inside covers, and the back is just plain. I have some Tim Holtz book corners. I also have some Tim Holtz stickers and some Graphic 45 washi tape in the spine. And I coffee dyed my papers. I also got some sheet music from that same Salvation Army. I had some ephemera, some very old ephemera from, I think it was Seven Gypsies. It could have been Tim Holtz. It's probably under here somewhere. I also coffee dyed some graph paper, and on the back of that is lines. Here's some Seven Gypsies maps, the back side of that. I used some satin ribbon and coffee stained it. And I used these little Prima butterflies. It says Prima flowers, but they're butterflies. I used that on the strings for the signatures. Here's the other side of that matte paper. So this was really fun. I made some mistakes. The signature is not centered in the book, so the bottom kind of overlaps a little bit, but it's a first try. This is from a Tim Holtz paper pad. This is a different kind of paper I dyed. I dyed like 6 different kinds of paper. I paper clip those together. This is a paper clip from, I can't remember, something I got at Joann Fabrics on sale. This I made a little pocket out of here, so you could tuck something in there. This is part of the Tim Holtz stickers, and this is a washi taped fabric pattern, or I don't know what they're called. They're sewing patterns. I just folded it up and washi taped it and then stapled it to the book. This also, I think, was Seven Gypsies. There's another signature, the inside of another signature, and I just used some sheer ribbon for like a bookmark. I used some washi tape. And this is part of that matte paper that I just couldn't bring myself to throw out. I could glue it in there. I don't know. I stuck it in that pocket. And then this is a ephemera piece from Seven Gypsies, I believe, and it's just an old bingo card. I did use some Tattered Angel's Glimmer Mist in a couple spots. This is pattern paper that I misted in coffee stain, Graphic 45 washi tape, music paper, some more graph paper, another piece of silk ribbon, and this is, I just glued this on. This is actually it was this size, and I got this roll of lace at Walmart for like $3, and it's like a whole roll. It's in the wedding section to decorate for weddings. So I haven't got my sewing machine out yet, so I just glued that on. This is a Seven Gypsies card, and I think a Tim Holtz paper clip, and more sheet music, some sprayed, and this is from that same sheet from Tim Holtz. This is the another piece of ephemera, and it's a school themed sheet. So, and then this is from the Paper Studio family pack of stickers, another piece of washi tape, and just a plain piece of paper. In the back here you could put a note. And that is my very first ever like junk journal, junk book, and like I said, I'll be making some more. So if you want to see what I come up with, just turn on your notifications and subscribe, and you shall see my next project. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.